All right, Panthers. Mini lesson for today is how to cite both in text and on your works cited page dictionary definitions. This is primarily for the freshmen for their argument of definition paper because they have to have a definition in there, but it might be helpful for other people. When you have a dictionary definition, you must cite it both in text and in the works cited page. If you do not, then you are plagiarizing and you're going to get in trouble and you're going to get a 0 because that's the rule at Pomona. You have to cite. And so our tendency by what we've done in the past is to go. So I've gone to the Merriam-Webster dictionary because I just like that one. And we're going to click up here and we're going to copy the URL. And then we're going to go back to our document. And I've taught you in the past to go to the add-ons and go to here and manage bibliography. And this pops up. And we're going to click website because we got it from a website. We're going to paste and we're going to put this in. We're going to select that. But here's the problem with this entry is it's just for the dictionary and it doesn't give us the name of the entry, which is a problem. So I've discovered there's a couple ways to do this. The first, so let's get rid of this. We don't want that anymore. The first is we can go back to the dictionary, and some of these online dictionaries are going to have this button, like right here, that says Cite. And what you can do is you can just copy this, and then you can come back to your document, and then you're going to paste it, right? Super easy. You're just going to paste it in and make it look nice and neat. So now we know that we have strength, right? And it came from the Merriam-Webster dictionary and it was accessed on that day, right? The other option is if you don't have that cite button like on this one, you can go to the actual EasyBib website and fill in a form. So here we are on the EasyBib website. Our tendency would be to just put it in here, but we're not going to do that. We're going to click this button right here that says all 59 options, and we're going to find dictionary entry. We're going to click that button. We're not going to paste anything up here. We are going to click website, and then you can start filling in these boxes. And some of them you aren't going to fill in. Like I couldn't find a definition number or an author. I couldn't find the publisher, sponsor info. So some of them are going to be left blank. But you're going to fill them in. The entry name is strength, right? And then you're going to click create citation. It's going to give it to you. And then you're going to copy and paste it into your document. All right, so now we have our in our works cited page taken care of, but we need to be citing in text as well. So let's say I'm just going to write a nonsense paragraph. Let's say here's our dictionary definition, right? Dictionary definition. We're going to have the comma, and then we're going to do that. We're going to open parentheses because that's our in-text citation. We're going to open quotes. We're going to type the word, close quotes, close parentheses, and put the period at the end. Remember that the period on an in-text citation always goes at the end. And now we know, oh, this is from the dictionary. And if I want to know more about this word, I can go down to the bottom. And do you see how this matches the beginning of this? That's the key. So that when a person wants more information, they can look at that and they go, oh yeah, and they go down here. So that's how you do the in-text citation for a dictionary definition.